Uh, Good morning, buenos días, y compañeros y compañeras. Muchas gracias for this opportunity to be able to send our warmest greetings and solidarity, even for un poco minuto, for a very short time. We would like to especially greet Mauricio of the FAN Pro Co-op, of course, our dear Latin American coordinator, Pedro, and of course, mi amiga, my co-chairperson at the Global PCFS, Norma. Hello to all of you and all those participants. I would just like to say that we are one with you in undertaking this CPDE Rural Forum for the Latin Americas and the Caribbean. Um, the emphasis on discussing alternatives to development and, as you say, good living in Latin America and the Caribbean in the context of the worsening crisis due to neoliberal globalization, as can be seen in deep-rooted inequality, social injustice, discrimination, environment, and social exploitation, of course, amidst this wealth and technological progress is very important. And then development for whom, and the study on the stress on PPP, or the public-private partnership, which in all regions, especially the southern regions of the world, um, forms a framework, an impetus, the neoliberal impetus in the formation of government policies and programs affecting millions of our southern people. In particular, to discuss PPP, we are one with you, which I gather that you would be stressing on seeds. Seeds as life, seeds as the beginning of life and a healthy life, of development in agriculture, especially in our rural communities. We know very much that right now talks are being in the process of being undertaken already. Maybe the mergers of seed and pesticide companies like Syngenta and Monsanto, which I gather when I attended Rome, that went to a fall. Now I think what are the companies talking now with regards merger would be Syngenta and Bayer. Well, whatever. The big seed, the monopoly of seed monopoly, um, as you see in these big mega transnational corporations, is a testament of the dominance of these companies in our life, in our agriculture, and in our overall development. So I just say there can be no talk of the 2030 target as discussed. Maybe Pedro knows this in the SDG in New York, the target for zero hunger by 2030. If this problem on seeds perpetrated by the big companies in collusion with our governments through the PPPs should be halted, should be dealt with. But we know that the people, our people, especially the peasantry and the rural communities, are energizing, developing, and strengthening the movements. It is therefore an imperative to strengthen our organizations at the rural base, especially at the rural base, to link this up with the movements in the urban areas, to stop this dominance of, especially of agrochemical transnational corporations, to really achieve uh, justice, social equality, and genuine development. Maybe that's about all. Muchas gracias again, and we hope to see you over here in Asia.